Meta has done wonders with this new state of the art speech generative model, which is being called as Voicebox. I believe that to this date, this is the best large language model in terms of speech synthesis I have seen. This voice box has been trained on a vast data set of 50,000 plus hours of unfiltered audio, and VoiceBox has also seamlessly performed tasks such as editing, noise removal, and style transfer without task specific training. VoiceBox achieves speech recognition performance on par with real speech with just a 1% error rate degradation. Its zero-shot text-to-speech training method, flow matching, outperforms existing models in intelligibility and audio similarity while operating up to 20 times faster. In my opinion, VoiceBox has really turned the tables on speech synthesis, empowering virtual assistants, gaming NPCs, and assisting individuals with vocal cord damage. In this video, let me give you some of the demos which you can also check out on Wisebox website, and I will definitely put the link to this in video's description. On your screen you can see that website where you can test out this Wisebox. On the top right you can also go to their blog to read more about it, plus you can also read through their paper. A very nice model. Let me give you a few of the samples which I have checked out and I'm very impressed. The first one is the transient noise removal. So for example, if you are like I'm recording this video and if the dog is barking in the background or if any kid is screaming and I don't want to re-record this, which I normally do, so I can use this model to filter out that unneeded noise. So let me play this first example where a lady is speaking something in text, and then the thing which is highlighted in purple has been where dog was barking, but this model has filtered it out. Let me first play the noisy speech.
In zero weather, in midwinter, when the earth is frozen to a great depth below the surface, when then driving over the unpaved country roads, they give forth a hard metallic ring.
Okay, so that was a noisy speech. The model will take that as an input and then the output will be without that noise. Let me play it out.
In zero weather, in midwinter, when the earth is frozen to a great depth below the surface, when in driving over the unpaved country roads, they give forth a hard metallic ring.
So as you can see how cool is that and how much useful it is going to be. I mean, I cannot stress enough for all the content creators, especially in terms of audio visual aids. This is going to be a groundbreaking technology. Now, another cool thing which I noticed with this thing is this cross-lingual zero shot. Now, what happens is that whenever you're speaking in such as in English, then it could narrate it in target French or Portuguese to French, and there are other options too. So let me do from English to French. Let me first prompt it in the male voice.
But he could have been with us at Monterey.
Now let me run the voice box.
Il ne pouvait mieux s'adresser qu'à ce seigneur qui était recommandable par mille qualités. Le barmécide parut étonné de la réponse de mon frère, et portant ses deux mains à son estomac, comme pour déchirer son habit en signe de douleur.
Okay, and now let me run your TTS.
Il ne pouvait mieux s'adresser qu'à ce seigneur qui était recommandable par mille qualités. Le barmécide parut étonné de la réponse de mon frère et portant ses deux mains à son estomac comme pour déchirer son habit en signe de douleur.
So you can see beyond, I mean, we have just used the English prompt and it has generated the French speech. And similarly, VoiceBox can also transfer style across languages. So you can speak any language, give it to this model, and it will generate the text or audio in the target language. How cool that could be! And I really feel sorry for the job of translators because this is going to just kill it. Anyway, um, so this is it about VoiceBox, a truly groundbreaking technology, and I'm sure that you would have liked it. If you have any feedback on it, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.